Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Drug interactions of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. The drug interactions are actually NSAIDs will blunt the antihypertensive actions. NSAIDs will blunt the antihypertensive actions of ACE inhibitors. So NSAIDs are not used along with ACE inhibitors. Then lithium. If you give lithium with the help along with the ACE inhibitors, then plasma lithium levels were found to be increased. So, lithium levels in the plasma were found to be increased due to the usage of this angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors along with lithium. This is because when you use this lithium with angiotensin converting enzyme, there will be reduced tubular secretion is seen. Because of this reduced tubular secretion, lithium levels are increased. Then levels of digoxin are also increased because digoxin levels are also increased in plasma because there is reduced digoxin clearance is seen. Because of this reduced digoxin clearance, the digoxin levels are also increased in plasma if you use digoxin with ACE inhibitors. If you give if you give ACE inhibitors with diuretics, okay, if you give ACE inhibitors with diuretics, then there is one problem, that is first dose hypotension can occur more. First dose hypotension will precipitate if you give diuretics with ACE inhibitors, because both these will cause decrease in blood pressure. Diuretics decreases blood pressure, ACE inhibitors decreases blood pressure. So overall, the first dose hypotension levels will increase. The episode of first dose hypotension will precipitate. Then we have potassium sparing diuretics. If you use potassium sparing diuretics with ACE inhibitors, potassium sparing diuretics will cause hyperkalemia, and even the ACE inhibitors will cause hyperkalemia, and thus hyperkalemia is precipitated. Then contraindications of ACE inhibitors. So in the ACE inhibitors, the main contraindications are the ACE inhibitors are contraindicated in renal artery stenosis, especially actually in bilateral renal artery stenosis. There is two things: bilateral renal artery stenosis, ACE inhibitors are contraindicated, but in unilateral renal artery stenosis, ACE inhibitors are the drug of choice in unilateral renal artery stenosis, whereas ACE inhibitors are contraindicated in bilateral renal artery stenosis. They are contraindicated in pregnancy because ACE inhibitors are teratogenic, and they will result in renal agenesis, and also they can also result in pulmonary hypoplasia. So thus they are teratogenic. Then thus they are contraindicated in pregnancy. They are also contraindicated in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy, also they are contraindicated. Okay. Then they are also contraindicated in intestinal obstruction.
thank you and thank you for watching.